Here's how to create a clean typing effect in After Effects, step by step. Start by selecting the text tool and clicking anywhere in your composition to type the text you want. Once you've typed it, use the Align panel to center the text horizontally and vertically. This ensures it's positioned neatly for the animation. Now open the Animate menu for your text layer and choose Character Offset. This will add an animator to your text. Next, go to Add Under Animator 1, then Properties, and then select Opacity. Set the opacity to 0 so the text starts completely invisible. Expand the range selector and adjust the start value to 0 and click on the stopwatch icon next to it. Move the playhead to where you want the animation to end and set the end value to 100. To sharpen the effect, open the advanced settings under the range selector and set smoothness to 0. This gives the animation a crisp, character-by-character typing feel. If you want to adjust the speed, drag the keyframes closer together to make it faster, or spread them out for a slower animation. And that is it. Play your video to preview your typewriter effect. Thanks for watching.